Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and it's your girl Julie, and today I'm back with another video. So today is December 31st and it's the last day of 2020. So by the time you guys see this video, it's gonna be the new year. So I want to wish everyone a happy new year's, and my new resolution is to post more on my YouTube channel and not, you know, be slacking, be inactive, because that's not what we're gonna do this year. We're gonna be active, and I'm gonna try to upload at least 2 times a week, depending on, you know, because school is about to start soon in like a few weeks, actually, like 4 weeks or 3 weeks. So without further ado, let's get on right into the video and let's try to do this shit. All right, y'all, so as you can tell from the title, I'm gonna attempt to put on a wig for the first time. If you guys have been following me on Instagram for like few years, I've actually worn wigs before, but I've never tried to put them on like professionally, or like, you know, actually try to make them look like realistic. And so I'm gonna insert a few pictures right here where I tried to put on a wig, but I didn't attempt to like actually try, because I was just putting these on for Instagram posts, and it was fun to switch up the look and like have different hair colors. I've never actually put it on professionally. It's funny because every time when I try to, it always goes wrong. So this is gonna be my first time attempting. So this wig company called Icy Hair sent me this wig to try it on. I'm excited to try this on and see how it looks on me. So this is what the package looks like, and then back the Instagram ad, Icy Hair. And yeah, I don't mind my nails. I haven't got them done since like over a month, and I need to get them done for the new year. So this is the inside. I'm gonna show you guys what they sent me in the box. They sent me a pair of eyelashes. These are so pretty. Alright, so next in the box I have this edge brush. It has this little brush here and this little comb right here. So next we have this wig cap, but I guess it's for to like whenever you do your hair, and like to just hold down the wig like this. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna try to do this. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. And then we have this, and I don't know what this is for. Is it the same thing? I don't know. I also have this little booklet right here, all the instructions on what to do and stuff. So lastly but not least, we have the wig. Oh shit. So I guess it's like highlights. So we have a brown wig with some highlights. So my hair is pretty thick, so I'm just put it in a low bun. I don't feel like braiding my hair because I feel like if I braid it, it's gonna look bumpy on my head when I put the wig on. So I'm just gonna slick my hair down in the middle and just like put it in the bun. So I'm gonna brush it. So I have my little brush right here. I'm just gonna like tame it more down. So and then I'm gonna twist my hair at the back, and I'm just gonna put it in a little bun. Put my hair in a little bun. I don't know, I'm just gonna like show at the back. We'll just see what it looks like later after I finish installing my wig. So let me tell you guys what I have first. First, I got the Got to Be Glued Blasting Free Spray. I also got the Got to Be Glued Ultra Glued Invisible Styling Gel. Just have scissors and this little razor thingy. I'm just gonna install my wig. Is this 2 in here? Oh, it's 2. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, damn, this shit is tight. What the hell? Okay. What in the world? Is this how it's supposed to look like? I'm just gonna pull out the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. It's really pretty. You know, let me just try to put this on first. Should I pluck like here? Like, should I plug the baby hairs? I'm just trying this on, y'all, see if it fits me. Cause like, oh wow, that look pretty cute. Should I do the side or the middle? The middle looks weird. I should do just side part. So I have this plastic foam head right here, and I guess I need to pluck. So this is the hair. That's what it looks like. I'm just gonna try to pluck and see what I can do, and hopefully I don't mess up the wig. Actually looks pretty good. I mean, I don't know if I did something, but I guess it looks decent. The part. I guess I have to make a hole in my ears, right? So, oh, hopefully I don't cut myself. So I'm just cut. I guess this. Oh my gosh. Let me see. I got my hair dryer, and I guess I'm just gonna I'm gonna spray some on my forehead like this. Hopefully I'm doing it right. Oh, it's cold. You're supposed to put the wig cap more down to your forehead, I guess. Damn, touching my eyebrows. Again, I'm only gonna have this wig on for like a few hours, so I'm gonna take it off right after. So no, I don't want this shit to completely be hard to take off. If I'm doing anything wrong, don't come for me, because it's like my first time actually trying to put on a wig. I guess you just cut it. She won't cut. Okay, I have like 2 wig caps on. Oh shit. Yo, I'm so bad at this. You know what? I tried, so I'm just leave it like this. Should I take this off? Or should I not? Should I? Maybe I should. I'm just gonna leave it like this because it's hurting my ears right here. I'm just gonna tuck it behind and see what it's gonna look like. Make it look like, I don't know, what am I doing? There's clippers inside. There's one right here, here, and at the bottom. And I guess I just have to clip this to the wig cap, I think. So let me try to do that. Bro, it's gonna be so horrible. Okay. There's one right here. You know what I'm gonna do, y'all? Since there's a clipper right here, I'm gonna clip it on my, like, right here where my hair is at. Ouch. I'm not gonna have this wig on like for the whole day. I'm just gonna have it for like a few hours, and then I'm gonna take this wig off right after that. Just gonna put like the Got2b Glued gel and just, you know, call it a day. So I'm just gonna try to make this work and make it look natural. So I guess this will work. I guess I should glue this down right here. So don't come off. I probably should have plucked or do something about it, but you know. Okay guys, I'm gonna put glue. I'm gonna use this to hold down the wig. So it's right here. So I'm gonna use this band right here and just hold down the lace. I'm gonna leave this on for a couple minutes and see how my hairline is looking like. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. Now I'm gonna take this off. Damn. Alright, y'all. I don't know what's going on right here. Damn. I'm looking a hot mess. I'm gonna straighten the hair. I should have plucked apart more, but you know what? It's whatever. It is what it is. I mean, I could still do it. Where's the baby hair? It just looks really weird now. This shit fucked up right here. Oh man, I fucked up the hair. You know what I'm going to do? I'm just going to make it look like this. Okay. My hair looks big too. Okay guys, I'm going to straighten the hair now. Ooh. Okay. Just a little bit. Straightened. So I have this hair clipped. I'm gonna put right here just to make it look not that bad, because I guess the hair clip makes it look better. So this is the finished look. I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like I did a pretty decent job. You know, I tried my best. This is what it looks like. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Also comment and mostly subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already. And click that bell notification so you don't miss any time when I upload. I'll see you guys in my next video. And I love you all so much. Mwah.